juice cleanse recipes for detoxification and weight loss. Healthy juicing recipes to give your body natural energy and help in detoxifying the body. Juicing is a powerful tactic used by people to lose weight fast, get proper nutrition, and help fuel healthy lifestyles. Going on a liquid cleanse from time to time gives the body a break from digestion, and hence time to push out the toxins, and time to go into deep cleaning. Here are some of the health benefits of fruits and vegetables in a juice cleanse. Ash gourd. While ash gourd is composed primarily of water, it also boasts a variety of beneficial vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and B complex, niacin, thiamine and riboflavin. Ash gourd is also a valuable source of minerals like iron, potassium, zinc, calcium and magnesium. It also helps in combating the formation of ulcers on the membranes of stomach and intestine and helps combat acidity due to spicy foods or fasting for a long time. Cucumber is also 95% water. It's an incredible detoxifier and helps with liver and kidney function. Spinach is packed with vitamins, has anti-cancerous properties, and is one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Carrots are a good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K, and potassium. Carrots help to lower cholesterol levels and improve eye health. Lemon is one of the most important fruits to keep in your kitchen. It's a highly effective cleansing agent and helps cut through the bitterness of greens. Celery is low in calories since it is mostly water. It is a low glycemic food and a good source of dietary fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Kale is low in calories, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties, and helpful for the treatment of arthritis and autoimmune diseases. Beets contain nutrients that may help lower your blood pressure, fight inflammation, and support detoxification. Apples help fight inflammation and can help with heart health. Oranges are an immune system booster, and are high in vitamin C while low in calories. Turmeric contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger helps with digestion and supports the immune system. Make these homemade juices once a week. Store them in tightly sealed jars in the refrigerator. Serve cold over ice. Shake or stir well before drinking. The Spicy Journey. Juice 4 carrots, 1 orange, 1/2 inch of ginger and 1/2 inch of turmeric. Wash, prep and cut up all your ingredients. Add ingredients to juicer one at a time, and then simply juice everything up. The ash gourd solution. Simply take the ash gourd, peel off the skin and take out the seeds. Add 6 teaspoons of lemon juice, 3 teaspoons of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add ingredients to juicer one at a time, and then simply juice everything up. Fantastic greens. Juice 1 large cucumber, 1 lemon, 3 to 4 celery stalks, 1 cup spinach, 4 lettuce leaves, 2 apples and a small slice of ginger. Wash, prep and cut up all your ingredients. Add ingredients to juicer one at a time, and then simply juice everything up. The Detoxifier. Juice 2 apples, 1 medium carrot, 1 small beetroot, 3 to 4 celery stalks and 1/2 a lemon. Wash, prep and cut up all your ingredients. Add ingredients to juicer one at a time, and then simply juice everything up. Squeeze the lemon on top. The Sweet Carrot. Juice 4 carrots, 1/2 cup pineapple, a small bunch of parsley and 2 oranges. Wash, prep and cut up all your ingredients. Add ingredients to juicer one at a time, and then simply juice everything up. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. We need your support to keep posting, so please subscribe and click that bell notification button so that you get notified when I post new videos. And if you would like, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.